Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Pitch of Family. Welcome everyone without limitation of belief, religion, or tradition. Welcome to discuss, share, experience of practice Dharma for peace or experience of working and mindfulness. So today we gonna apply mindfulness in daily life or in the daily routine in the morning. So let's read the textbook written by Thich Nhat Hanh, the great monk of the Buddhist monk from Vietnam. Even he passed away right now, he still leaves an important applied book to practice well in daily life. You can be in touch with a lot of happiness during the time you are washing your face, brushing your teeth, combing your hair, shaving, and showering. If you know how to shine the light of awareness into each thing you do. For example, when you turn on the tape, you can enjoy being in touch with the water running out of the face, and also when the water coming, you recite the following poem. Okay, we have poem to recite again. Water flows from the high mountain source. Water runs deep in the earth. Miraculously, water comes to us and filled with the gratitude. Water flows from the high mountain source. Water runs deep in the earth. Miraculously, water comes to us and filled with gratitude. Water flows from the mountain sources. Water runs deep in the earth. Miraculously, water comes to us and filled with gratitude. Water flows from the mountain source. Water runs deep in the earth. Miraculously, water comes to us and filled with gratitude. Water flows from the high mountain source. Water runs deep in the earth. Miraculously, water comes to us and filled with gratitude. โยมนพรัตน์บุญกอบ Welcome. Good evening and welcome. คุณนพรัตน์บุญกอบ It's about 7 p.m. California. Thank you for joining Pitch of Family. We should think, speak, mention on the frame of peace. So is it called Pitch of Family. It's like a workshop. โยมนิพาพรยิ่งรุ่งโรจน์เจริญพร ตื่นนอนตอนเช้าเราก็ยังคงเจริญสติไม่ว่าจะเป็นการล้างหน้าแปรงฟันหวีผมขอให้มีแสงสว่างแห่งความตื่นรู้ยกตัวอย่างเช่นเวลาเปิดก๊อกน้ำจะวิ่งออกมาก็ขอให้ได้ท่องกลอนนี้ว่า Water flows from high mountain sources Water runs deep in the earth Miraculously water comes to us I'm filled with gratitude น้ำไหลมาจากแหล่งภูเขาสูงวิ่งเข้าไปสู่ใจกลางโลกมหัศจรรย์เหลือเกินที่น้ำมาหาเราฉันก็ต้องขอบคุณ I'm filled with gratitude ตอนเช้าเราก็ต้องว่าคาถานี้คือน้ำไหลมาจากภูเขาสูงวิ่งเข้าใจกลางโลกอัศจรรย์เนาะน้ำมาหาเราได้เต็มไปด้วยความขอบคุณกว่าน้ำจะมาถึงเราก็มีแต่ความขอบคุณขอบคุณท่านยุนรัฐบุตรพฤติพันธ์วันนี้ยังไม่มีฝรั่ง มีแต่คนไทยเลยคุยภาษาไทยไปก่อนอ่านสลับกันไป Welcome David Monk Water flows from high mountain source Water runs deep in the earth Miraculously water comes to us I'm filled with gratitude He teaches to have mindfulness and feel peace and good when you are doing the morning routine. This word help you to be aware of the whole journey of the water on the way from source to your bathroom sink. It is meditation. You also see how fortunate you are to have water flowing easily for you with just the twist of knob. This awareness brings you happiness. That's mindfulness. Awareness brings you happiness. That's also mindfulness. While you are going to breathe it, watching first, bring your mind to be your movement on that activity. It become awareness and mindfulness. Awareness brings you happiness. That's mindfulness. Mindfulness is attention. It is good for him to give definition of mindfulness. Mindfulness is attention. It's the capacity to recognize what's happening in each moment. What's happening here is you are turning on the tap and the water is flowing out for you. In Plum Village in France, our water supply occasionally get cut off. Every time that happens, we are reminded that's a hardship when we don't have water, and a happiness when we do. So we can recognize happiness only when we remember the time of suffering. Jiranat Vimutti Sukh, welcome. I always like to turn water on slowly, cup the fridge, cold water in my hands, and spread it on my eyes. Here in France, in winter time, the water is really cool. Feeling the cold water on my fingers, my eyes, my cheek is so refreshing. Please be present so you can really get that sensation. Let it wake you up. Delight in it. You are happy because you know how to treasure the gifts of water and how to nourish your own gratitude. It is same with pouring water into the basin toward your face. Be aware of every moment. Don't go off thinking about lots of other things. The most important thing for you to do in this moment is to experience joy in each of your movement. Don't hurry to finish and go do something else. That's it, meditation. Mindfulness is suffering. You are genuinely present to yourself in every moment. Its capacity to recognize clearly that every moment is a gift of life, a gift from earth and the sky. In Zen, is it known as joy of meditation. Here it's challenging for you. You're going to spend 1 or 2 minutes brushing your teeth. How can you do it so that you really have happiness? Throughout the brief of couple of minutes, don't rush. Don't try to brush your teeth as quick as possible, and be done with it. Focus all your attention on your brushing. You have the time to brush your teeth. You have toothbrush, toothpaste, and teeth to brush. I'm 84 years old. It means did not hand while he writing. still have on these teeth to brush. It's wonderful thing. So the challenge is to brush your teeth in such a way that you have that taste and happiness during the whole 2 minutes of brushing. If you can do that, you have success. You meditating right there. Here's a poem you can enjoy while brushing your teeth. Brushing my teeth and raising my mouth, I vow to speak purely and lovely. When my mouth is so fragrant with rice speech, a flower blooms in the garden of my heart. Brushing my teeth and raising my mouth, I vow to speak purely and lovely. When my mouth is fragrant with rice pitch, a flower blooms in the garden of my heart. We vow to make the most of every moment. Yes, the words are meant to help us to bring our awareness back to what's happening in the present moment. We don't get caught in reciting line. If we already have mindfulness and concentration, we really know how to dwell peacefully in the present moment already. We may be just as happy or not using them at all. Okay, this is what we read and we try to discuss about this. First of all, the leading key is mindfulness. Mindfulness is attention to what you are going to do. Recognize what you are going to do. Don't ignore even any moment. If you are knowing in activities you are going to do, you have the gift of present moment. You can keep happiness from mindfulness, from awareness. Without mindfulness and awareness, we cannot have happiness. Welcome คุณกัลยาว่องทิพย์คงคา Welcome to Pitch of Family. Welcome to be mindful for activities. I'm speaking mindfully. When you are listening mindfully. Some people here, someone here, sit and prepare cooking. Prepare cooking with mindfulness and awareness. We are with us. We are united. Somebody going to take a bath, be aware and mindful to take a bath well. Some people keep house and working. Let everybody do and work mindfully. Awareness and happiness. We can see the process. Mindfulness, awareness bring happiness. Mindfulness and awareness is going to attention, great attention. When you pay great attention one object, you know nothing outside. Your mind become peaceful. When your mind is not distracted or interrupted with love, lust, aversion, boring, or restlessness, is peaceful. Peacefulness bring happiness. Okay, I think it's enough for me to bring you article about mindfulness in daily routine in the morning. Let us know and let practice in every walk of life. To practice mindfulness and awareness can be done through experience. Is a real Buddhist in the field of science, because you can know, you can touch every moment. You can know, you can experience it when you practice. So be careful, be mindful, do it slowly to let your mind know on things that they really are. So this is how to apply mindfulness, awareness and happiness in daily life, starting at the daily routine and extend to work. For example, you drive mindfully, stop mindfully, move mindfully. Even all over the day, don't forget mindfulness, awareness, happiness. Mindfulness, awareness, and happiness be with you. Thank you very much for everyone who participate our Pitch of Family program. Before I leave broadcasting, I would like to chant and spread love, awareness, awakening, peace to all beings. May all beings be free from dangers. May all living beings be free from hostility. May all living beings be free from aversion. May all living beings be free from suffering. May all living beings be safe, be confident, be peaceful and happy. Thank you very much. mindfulness, awareness, and happiness be with you all the time.